आ गया क्या अपना नंबर
under the Nursing Council Act passed by the central government, where the eligibility is prescribed and they have the exclusive role. Eligibility, my lord, for classes of nurses, etc. You require, my lord, 10+2, etc. So the position under the Council Act was, preferably you can have a science stream in 9th, but my lord, in arts, history, etc. also my lord is allowed. Preference is given to science. There is no problem. Their colleges is going on, my lord, for last 40-50 years. Now, my lord, there is an MP local act. Local act is only, my lord, for registration. They have no jurisdiction to prescribe, my lord, like medical council, bar council. They have no jurisdiction. So it was going on, no problem. Suddenly in 2024, my lord, the local act says that preference of science under the central act shall become solely, my lord, science. Your lordship will see that. That's completely illegal.
Where is that?
Yes. Your lordship will find, my lord, at 300 and starts at 302. These are called, my lord, MP Nursing Education Act, meant only for registration, nothing else. At 314, in the schedule, my lord, it starts at 313, the qualifications, and what they have done at 314, item 2, general nursing and midwifery, see, my lord, at the foot, 1 is 50%, etc., etc. Then, my lord, must have passed 12th with minimum 45% in physics, chemistry, biology. So this has become now, my lord.
And where is the qualification provided by the central?
Yes, 78, my lord. Your lordship, go back to 78, my lord. At the foot, eligibility criteria for general nursing, etc. Age is so and so, minimum 10+2, passed, preferably science and English. So all streams were available.
No, where do we get 10+2? Eligibility for A&M or GNM?
Yes, yes. Both, my lord. Both. See, my lord, A, preferably science. B, you have arts, mathematics, everything. So if you have preferable science and you have equal marks, maybe, my lord, you will get a position.
Minimum.
My lord, see towards the end.
A3 minimum educational qualification shall be 10+2 in art, mathematics, physics, chemistry, biology, economics, political science.
Yes. So, my lord, for A&M, the minimum educational qualification 10+2, arts, mathematics, physics, science. So, my lord, all kinds. For GNM towards the bottom, minimum education is 10+2, preferably science, and B, 10+2 arts. So, all, my lord, vocationals are possible. So, you have now, by an act where you don't have the power, you have cut the stream. You have blocked, my lord, people or children coming.
What is the learned appearing on behalf of traditional community? The qualification prescribed under the rules by the state government is contrary to the qualification provided by the Indian Nursing Council. Is submitted. The same is not permissible. In view of cutting off the use of this book right from this is cutting off Adhiyanam.
Yes, sir.
So modern day, it is from Adhiyanam technical.
I'll give that link.
Any interim model?
What has happened is that this process is now complete under the impugned rule. I have lost out because there is a schedule. But there will be leftover seats for counselling. So what I am praying is not if any seats are left, they should be filled up by the unamended position. So I get some succor blood. I have been suffering for 1.5 years.
I didn't want to be direct that if any vacancies are available, the same would be permitted to be filled in accordance with the qualification prescribed by the central council.
Yes, sir.
परमिशन दे दी बाकी बच्चों को एडमिशन देने के लिए
हो गया परमिशन दे दी
दे दी
हैं